are more than 2 weeks into the statewide manhunt, and still no one has managed to catch the kid. I like to say with a little mystery. Monique Jacobson, Cabinet Secretary for the New Mexico Tourism Department, joins us once again with the latest developments in the unique travel promotion. Welcome back, beautiful Monique.
Thank you. It's wonderful to be here, as always.
Well, your eyes are, just the green in your eyes are brought out by your dress, might I mention. Absolutely
Thank you.
Lovely.
Totally by accident.
I want to mention what happened this past weekend, okay? Because it was a big one for the Catch the Kid promotion. So tell us a little bit about what happened.
So the first thing that happened on Friday, we passed the 1,000 posse mark.
Woo!
So you guys have got to get out there because there's a lot of competition. It's heating up. Then we had a lot of fun at Isotopes Park. I actually threw out the first pitch. It was a little embarrassing. I'm not going to lie. There it is.
Is that you?
Really,
that
really,
was
I didn't know.
good.
But my boys are there, more importantly. We had friends from all over the state that were here really helping people know what there is to see and do around New Mexico, which was great. So we were getting them signed up for Catch the Kid, but also the whole point of this is to really get people out there exploring. So we had folks from Red River, Ruidoso, Gallup. We had a lot of our partners come out, so it was a lot of fun. And let me tell you, those badges were going like hotcakes.
Oh, I bet.
People love badges.
They do, and especially little kids, because it makes them feel official.
Yes, that's right.
You know, I
we
love
also
that.
had an official event in Las Vegas, New Mexico,
Right, how'd it
which was
go?
a huge success. It was great. There was a lot out there, a lot with this Wild West theme, sheep shearing, roping.
Wow.
We had live music, and again, we were getting people signed up the whole time. They were going there, getting the clues, listening to music, really having a good time, both locals, and we had a lot of travelers. So it's really, it's
and that's what you
working.
wanted.
That's exactly right.
Oh,
Yeah,
that
so
makes me so happy because that was the goal.
That's right. Yeah. So week one was off to just a fabulous start, and this is the kind of stuff that's going to be going on for the rest of the summer into the fall throughout New Mexico. Just fun events, people getting out there, exploring, spending fun time with your family.
I love seeing the kids because they seem like they're so into it. And I want to talk about this because you actually did already give away the first big prize, right? So who was the lucky winner? What did they get? What happened?
So it's very exciting. We'll be announcing the posse later today. So we have to do, make sure that they're a legitimate posse and they can legally win it.
Right.
And yeah, it's a very exciting prize. So in addition to the $10,000, we have these really cool weekly prizes.
Yes.
And this is one of my favorite of all the weekly prizes. It's our sports package.
Ooh, what's that?
Yes. So the winner is going to receive season tickets to UNM football.
Nice.
A suite at the Isotopes.
Oh, a suite.
Yes,
Nice.
16-person suite at the Isotopes, and both of those were given to us by 1017, the team. So they've been helpful on this, which was great. Then, if you like skiing, so that's not all. You get all of that, plus you get 2 lift tickets to all of the Ski New Mexico ski resorts this
all
summer.
Of them?
Yes.
Oh
so
my gosh.
all that are members with Ski New Mexico. So Taos, Red River.
Wild.
I mean, it's really, really good. If you're into sports, you're getting a lot of exciting stuff.
Summer and winter. I mean, really, you're taking care of everything.
Golf, too. So it doesn't stop there. We also have a round of golf at 6 premier golf courses throughout the state. So if you win this, you're going to have to travel to use it. So everything we're doing,
you get everybody out and about.
Yeah.
And that obviously was a very sought after prize and a really great way to just encourage more participation and more travel through the Billy the Kid territory.
That's right.
And that's really what you want.
Every week we'll be having prizes like this. So we have an ecotourism prize. We just have really cool, fun prizes every single week.
So what's next? What's the next big thing on the agenda?
So this week, I am headed to Fort Sumner.
You are?
Yes, so we're packing up the boys, and that's what we want you guys to do. So Fort Sumner, this is going to be one of our, I think one of our most interesting weekends because there's so much Billy the Kid history there. So he's buried there. Now I have to say, do not dig him up to catch the kid. There's no digging necessary to win this.
Exactly.
So, but go there and really, this is where I think this is one of our best historical sites. So go there, learn about Billy the Kid, think about what it was like to be there and be him. Well, maybe don't think about that. That's a little depressing. But enjoy the time there. And there's so much to see on your way there.
You get
or on the way home.
And that's the thing about New Mexico when you travel. You're seeing something even on the way, on the journey, before you even get to the destinations. And you did say you don't want to dig up Billy the Kid, clearly. However, there is a way that we can find Billy the Kid. So what is our goal and how do we reach him?
So what you've got to do is get the clues.
Okay.
There are clues at 10 locations throughout the state.
Okay.
You get those clues. then you have to be a little bit clever. You have to be smart.
Okay.
To figure out where he's going to be, and then you have to pay a lot of attention to figure out when and exactly how to catch him.
Okay.
So we really wanted to make this a challenge and something fun for people to get out and do.
People love challenges, and remind everybody about the app, because I think a lot of people will want to make sure they have that on their phone.
Yes, great. So if you have a smartphone, you get the Catch the Kid app, and this is my personal favorite part because I have kids, so I need to constantly be keeping them busy. So with this app, you travel around the state and you unlock loot. You get coins, and then these coins you go back online and they can be redeemed for incredible travel packages. So just by traveling, you're actually going to win a way to travel more. So it's great.
Travel inspires travel. That is really what it's all about, and you don't have to leave your own state to do it. That's the best part of all.
Exactly right, and we want you guys out there because we know there are people playing. In fact, half the people that are playing are from out of New Mexico. So come on, New Mexicans, you've got to win this.
Interesting. Okay, that's a good point. Now, in the meantime, as we mentioned, nothing too shabby about a $10,000 prize at the end of the day. I mean, I think a lot of people could use that as some incentive. And there are, as Monique mentioned, prizes every single week. So if you want more information, you can certainly go to newmexico.org and, of course, catchthekid.com. And definitely a worthwhile thing because, as I said, it's not just about the destination in this case and the goal. It's about the journey in itself.
That is exactly right. Yes. So get out there, have fun with us, and
sight-do, don't sightsee.
Thank you. Perfect.
Thank you, Monique, and we'll look forward to seeing you back here again. And in the meantime, another thing great for the kids, it's Barney's birthday, and he is sharing his party plans with me. It's next on New Mexico Style.